Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Hyundai Kona, stock number 6277. This ran from the 9th 2017 to the 10th 2020. It has a G4NH 2 litre 4 cylinder petrol engine, backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NH 2 litre 4 cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, front bonnet no dents, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear taillight, rear tailgate no dents, right rear taillight, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front headlight, right front door guard, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,